Hi, it's Melissa from Appeggio, and in this video I'll be showing you how to set up the fonts for your app. So we do this via the settings menu and we go to the fonts tab, and here you'll see the option to set up to 4 different fonts for your app. And to do them it's really simple, and when we update the fonts they get applied to all parts of your app. So just say we know what sort of font that we want. I'm going to say that I want a Roboto Mono for our primary font, and there you see that we've got the preview of that font here. And let's call this one something a bit unusual so that you see it when we make a change. So here I've set a primary font, I've set a secondary font, and you'll see that the font has been changed to based on what I've just made it. So these are all primary fonts here. Now say I wanted, for example, to just make this title my secondary font. I select the text, I go over to font, and I just change it to secondary. And it's made that change for me. Now the text will default to a primary font unless you specify otherwise. Now if we go back to the font settings, this is where we can set the font sizes for our app. So for example, if you apply an H1 tag to pieces of font, it will automatically take on the size that you've set. Now just a little word of caution here. We have tried to set up sizes so that they are responsive across all sizes. So with an H1 tag, for example, we have set up masters for H1 so that when they're on mobile they're not so large, etc. But you can of course change the font size to anything that you need it to be for your app using the slider here. Let's see this one in action. So if I go to font and then size, let's call this an H1, and I am on this size here, so we'll H1 there, and then we go back to font, yeah, I've made that bigger. So that's how you set up your fonts, your font families and your font sizes using the settings menu. Thank you.